got it done, yo. Amazing. Great little workout. Great people waking up early, getting it done. It's normal for me, man. 5 o'clock. You gotta do it. I love this event so far. Relentless V. I haven't done this one before. I do a lot of events and conferences that I can learn and expand my mind. But this is the first time I'm doing this one. And to offer a workout at 5:30 with other people that wake up at 5:30, that's pretty dope. So I'm really excited about it. I'm actually gonna go work out though. I think like it was a nice workout. It was good to get the heart rolling, get blood flowing, but next level. You always gotta go to the next level, yo. Let's do it. What's up, y'all? Man, that first day, that first 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or whatever the time frame was at Relentless. And man, the reason why I say it feels like I don't know the time is because I'm getting so much information. This is session 1. I've never been here before, so I'm taking you on this journey with me to find out and learn more about Danny Morel and all this content and stuff that he's doing. And quite frankly, I had an absolute blast. And I've only been here for like 30 minutes, maybe an hour. I don't know, because everything is just meshing, and I truly just enjoy adding pieces of knowledge to my life and adding pieces that I can add a touch here, add a touch there, that can just take me to the higher level. Because I truly believe that it's not about doing big leaps or doing gigantic things. If you're starting from zero, big leaps are great. But once you reach certain levels and once you're accomplishing and living in your vision, your purpose, and your passion, I feel like as you can continually progress. You know, the stock market is not always a leap. The stock market is a consistent growth, and over time you win. And I think being here in this first session, I automatically see that I can gain some nuggets of information. So I'm excited. I'm really passionate. I'm really just ready to embrace this day, this week, this weekend, and just get some more knowledge. Stay with me on this journey. We're gonna share some more, as usual. Style your life. You can have everything you want, as long as you truly believe it. What up? Day 1 is almost done, and it's absolutely fantastic. I came to this event with the intention of meeting some new individuals, meeting some great individuals that I probably could design for, and have the opportunity to learn some insight that could take my game to the next level. Come to find out, I walk into a room with like 70% real estate professionals. So, you know, everyone's asking me, are you a real estate agent? Or are you in real estate or whatever? I do invest in real estate, but I'm not a real estate agent. However, that doesn't matter. I think when you get the opportunity to meet good people and have individuals that are like-minded and willing to learn and take their business to another level, that's where I want to be. I want to be around people like that, and I'm really enjoying my time here. This is my first time experiencing this, and I think they did a great job, number one, with the organization. The check-in was really smooth, and everyone was friendly and welcoming. I thought that's extraordinarily important for me as an entrepreneur running events, running projects like this myself. The interaction of people and team is vitally important. Then we went into some of the sessions. We got some good speakers today that gave some valuable content. 2 guest speakers, along of course with Danny, that gave information that I didn't expect, that was way above and beyond the idea. We're gonna close the day out with a cocktail session, another social mixer that'll get a chance to interact with some of the people that we met throughout the day, some people that we got to shake hands with and smile with. Will be another opportunity to just have some fun and leisure and wrap and close the day out. Then we'll go to sleep, wake up, work out, and do it again. But this is day 1, and it's been absolutely amazing. Great job, Danny. Keep rocking. What up? Walking out of the first session of day two. Day two is already underway. Already getting some valuable content from day two, and Danny's doing an outstanding job. I'm just really ready to just leave and start implementing some stuff because he has some valuable insight that I know I'm going to be able to implement and make my company go to another level. So day two's underway. I'll keep you posted. I know it's going to be some great stuff. What's up? Yours truly, Michael Ferrera, once again, and amazing. As you can tell, first off, we bum rushed the whole Hilton and we just charged into the executive ballroom suite in this super dope fancy room, and we wanted to record the content in here to give you some valuable insight of what's going on over here at the Danny Morel event. Day two, wow, amazing, powerful, some great speakers, some great energy, had some performance by a DJ and a violinist. That was really cool. But outside of that, just to topping off the content, man, I just think that Danny's doing an extraordinary job. If you haven't attended this, whether you're real estate or not, it might be something to check out and valuable for you to capture some valuable insight to use as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, as a working professional, whatever stage. If you're a creative person, there's something that you could take away, because myself, my team and videographers, they absolutely got some stuff that they can take and use and apply to their businesses and everything else. So definitely take it out. I think following up with day two from day one was a great opening. It was my first time attending, so it was a great space to learn about what's happening. Day two was a great follow-up because, again, it came out strong, great energy, great people. One thing I noticed that some people didn't come the second day simply because they had other things to do, or jobs or careers or whatever it is. But why they missed out, I don't know. But it was huge because the second day just went into diving of examples and things that actually can be applied immediately to change someone's business or to start a business. Lastly, I'll just close with this on day two, man. We're gearing up for tomorrow. Kobe Bryant is actually going to be one of the speakers in the house. That's going to be a big deal. But respectfully, when I came to this event the first time, I saw Kobe at the flyer, but strangely, it wasn't the gravitator for me. It really wasn't. I was very clear. I've had the privilege of seeing Kobe speak before on other financial platforms, but the gravitator was, if there's a person that can get him here, then that's probably a person that I should be around or being able to gain information from, which is why I proceeded to jump in and get involved with this session that we did over here at Relentless. So just a great 2 days so far. I'm sure next day is gonna be great with Kobe speaking and closing it out, but phenomenal content. Man, it's tough to put in words. But nonetheless, thank you for joining me on this journey throughout these days and styling your life with yours truly, Michael Ferrera. And I go to conferences. If you haven't seen my other videos on conferences and how to maximize it, go scroll and look at that. You need to invest in yourself. You have to. It's vital. Even though whatever level I'm at and all the successes that I have, I still invest in me. That's the biggest investment that I will ever make, and I will always do it for the rest of my life. Yours truly, Michael Ferrera. Coming to an end, yo. Last day of the conference. Danny Morel killed it, man. This is some amazing content. I'm walking into my session now. Last day, a little casual, dumped it down a little bit. Not really. I never dumb it down, man. You always gotta go high. Not rocking a suit today though, but everything's still custom. Denim custom, shoes, shirt, tie, all the above, man. As usual, we'll do some recaps throughout the day. But once again, always invest. Biggest investment is you. Let's go, man. Make today great. Last day. We're wrapping up. It's it. It's all closed out. 3 days of valuable content that I'm now gonna just take home and implement. As you all have heard before, invest. Invest in things, but invest in you. Like, that's the most important one, man. And I've gone to conferences, I've gone to some great conferences. I've learned by going to some bad conferences and some terrible ones that I'll never go back. But this one right here, this one is the real deal.
I definitely will come back. I definitely will visit. I think it was outstanding pieces of content, outstanding guest speakers, outstanding people that I get to be around, that get to gain insight. But as usual, man, style your life. If you haven't seen some of my other videos on why you should invest in you, how to maximize your time in conferences, go look at that. IGTV, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, the list goes on. Yours truly, Michael Ferrera. We'll see you soon. Thanks again. Peace.